Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will share quick unboxing and hands-on review of Lenovo ZUK Z1 smartphone. I'll start with the box contents. First thing in the box is the phone itself. It also comes with a SIM ejector tool, a USB Type-C cable, a quick charging adapter with output rating of 5.3 volts and 2.5 ampere, and some documentation. On design front, it is a very sturdy phone. It flaunts its premium design with metal frame along the edges. On the front, there is a 5.5-inch Full HD display. Above the display, there is an earpiece along with LED notification, front camera, and some sensors. Below the display, there are two touch capacitive buttons along with a physical home button, which also doubles up as a fingerprint sensor. On the left edge, there is a SIM card tray which houses two nano SIM cards. Volume rockers and power button are located on the right edge. Top edge of the phone houses 3.5mm audio jack. On the bottom edge, there is primary microphone along with USB Type-C port and speaker grill. On the rear of the phone, there is a 13-megapixel primary camera along with dual LED flash and ZUK branding. The rear panel of the phone is non-removable and has a metallic texture on it. Overall build quality of the phone is great and it feels very solid and sturdy in hand. Sound from the speaker is just average. It comes with a fingerprint sensor integrated into the home button for additional security. The fingerprint sensor is quite fast and accurate, but pressing home button to unlock the phone doesn't feel as smooth as it is with other devices. On the front, there is a 5.5-inch Full HD IPS display with 1080p resolution and 100% NTSC color gamut. The display is sharp and bright with good viewing angles and sunlight legibility. The video viewing experience on this phone is also nice, and here is a quick video sample. Coming to the camera department, it sports a 13-megapixel primary camera with dual LED flash, Sony sensor, OIS and f2.2 aperture. There is also an 8-megapixel front-facing camera on board. Both the cameras of the phone are capable of taking excellent shots with great detailing and clarity. All the pictures taken in low light, natural light and artificial light come out to be good, and this phone has one of the best cameras in this price range. Moving on to hardware and performance, it is powered by a 2.5 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 801 processor paired with Adreno 330 GPU and 3 GB of RAM. It comes with 64 GB of internal memory and lacks expandable storage support via microSD card. It scores around 60,000 points on AnTuTu benchmarks. We played a few games on this phone and it was capable of playing moderate to heavy games seamlessly. It doesn't heat up a lot and there were no major stutters that we faced. On software front, it runs CyanogenMod OS 12.1 based on Android 5.1 Lollipop, and it is expected to receive CyanogenOS 13 based on Android Marshmallow update soon. The software is smooth and responsive and comes with negligible bloatware. The interface is more like stock Android and it is highly customizable. We tested the phone for USB OTG and the unit that we have received doesn't seem to support it. The ZUK Z1 is backed up by an enormous 4100 mAh battery, which should be good enough to survive for more than one day on moderate usage. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. Now pricing. This phone is priced at around Rs 13,500. The ZUK Z1 is an excellent phone in this price segment. It offers premium build, good display, excellent camera combination, long hours of battery life, additional security via fingerprint sensor and more. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.